Jesus, folks. It's Sky Demon people. Early in the morning, in the name of Jesus. Recording it for y'all to see it. In the name of Jesus. Fake helicopter people, in the name of Jesus. Recording it for y'all. It's fake, masquerading as real. These are principalities. They able to do this in the name of Jesus. That loud noise, it is every day. It's not a real helicopter, folks. In the name of Jesus. Look at that, I'm exposing them. I gotta use my camera phone. I wish I had a real camera so I can zoom in, because there's nobody in there, folks. Nobody. In the name of Jesus. Look at it, coming down. Look at this. Fake helicopters. Not real. This is not a news chopper, people. Not a police copter. This is a demonic helicopter, folks. In the daylight. In the name of Jesus. Come to Jesus, folks. Just sitting there. In the name of Jesus. I'm out.